Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the online class of English vocabulary for grade 8A. Here I am teaching Mrs. Nawla. How are you, my dear students? I hope you will be fine. Today we are going to study synonyms and antonyms for unit number 14. So for this purpose you will have two exercises on page number 180 and 181. First of all, we will do the synonyms on page number 180. You will choose a word from unit 14 that is the same or most nearly the same in meaning as a bold-faced word or expression in the phrase. My dear students, as you know the pattern of this exercise, you will have 10 phrases. In every phrase you will find word that has been written in bold font. According to the meaning of that bold font word, you will find the most suitable or appropriate synonym from the list of unit 14's vocabulary words. I am going to read out the first phrase on page number 180. Would never wear such garish shoes. Garish is something that is too colorful to look beautiful. That is not so much extraordinary in appearance. And the similar word with the meaning will be gaudy. So gaudy is the answer for number 1. Gaudy. Number 2. Had an exaggerated sense of importance. For the word exaggerated, our synonym that is actually the answer for number 2 is inflated. Inflated. Both inflated and exaggerated mean something that is made too large than what those things appear. Number 3. Attended a dull series of lectures. Dull means boring. So for this word, the most suitable synonym will be pedestrian. Pedestrian. Pedestrian means a person who is walking barefoot, but also a person or anything that is not so much attractive, very boring, full of boredom, that has no charm, or that is something that not looking very beautiful. Dull and pedestrian are synonym to each other. Number 3 answer will be pedestrian. Pedestrian. Number 4. Will subdue all foes of the realm. For this word, our synonym will be vanquish. Vanquish. Vanquish and subdue means to overcome or overthrow the enemies. Number 5. Ate a healthy meal before the game. For the word healthy, our synonym will be nutritious. Nutritious and healthy, something that is full of energy, that is very nice and fine in taste, especially in the food. Number 6. Sharing comparable traits. And for the word comparable, the synonym will be akin. Akin. Akin and comparable mean something that are similar to each other, that have similar properties. Number 7. Had light hair and a pallid complexion. Complexion means the color of the skin. Pallid means something that is not very beautiful, looking very weak. And for the same word pallid, you will have the synonym wan. W-A-N. Wan is the answer for number 7. Wan means something that is looking very pale and weak, not full of energy. Number 8. Must obey the captain's command. For the word obey, you will have the synonym heed. H-E-E-D. Heed. Heed means to follow the instruction of your captain or commander. And number 9, on page number 180, would muse on the meaning of the universe. Muse means to think deeply. For the word muse, the synonym will be meditate. Muse and meditate are synonym to each other. Our answer for number 9 question is meditate. M-E-D-I-T-A-T-E. Meditate means to have a profound thinking, to think deeply about any issue, about any matter. And the last one for this exercise, was taken in by the pretender. Pretender is a person who is a cheater, who cheats other person, who is a deceiver. And for the same word, the synonym will be impostor. Impostor. Impostor, a person who is very dishonest, not very good in character. Now we will move towards the exercise of antonyms on page number 181. You will choose a word from this unit 14 that is most nearly opposite in meaning to the bold-faced word or expression in the phrase. The first phrase I am going to read on page number 181 was dissimilar to the views she held. As I told you earlier, there is a word in the list of unit 14. The word is akin. So akin is the antonym for dissimilar. Akin means something that is similar to another, and dissimilar means something which is opposite to another thing. So these two words are antonyms to each other. Akin is the answer for our number 1, akin. Number 2, refuses to eat toxic food. Refuses to eat toxic foods. Toxic means something that is full of poisonous material, not very healthy. And for the word toxic, there will be a word in the list of unit 14. The word is nutritious. So that is our answer for number 2. Nutritious is actually the antonym for toxic. Write the correct spelling for nutritious, Nutritious. Number 3. Was surprised by the tasteful furnishings in his home. For the word tasteful, there is a word gaudy. Gaudy is the antonym for the word tasteful. Gaudy. Number 4. Cooked with a lavish amount of spices. Lavish means something that is so much in quantity. And meager is the antonym for the word lavish. Meager. Meager means something that is very less in quantity. And the last one for this exercise, a treat to meet an honest person. For the phrase an honest person, the antonym will be impostor. A person who is a cheater, who cheats other person, who deceives other persons. Impostor is the antonym for honest person. So my dear students, so far we have done our synonyms and antonyms for unit number 14. I hope you would have written all the answers correctly. So as your homework, you can learn all the vocabulary words with respect to their synonyms and antonyms. This is your homework. Thank you very much for attending the online class. See you next time with a new lesson. Bye bye.